Hi, Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here with a project share from my live on May 28th, where I had some of my audience or some of my friends in the chat box decorate some dex cards, and we all had fun. It was all a great live. And I'm going to share it with you guys. This one was made by Miss Marty. Not made, but decorated by Miss Marty. And the printables came from Kara Brandon and Scrimpin' Mommy. Scrimpin' Mommy, I think, is her name on YouTube. I will link everything down below in the description box as soon as this video is uploaded, okay? So, what Marty chose was to put some little dewdrops on the leaves. See? So I put some little silver stickles for dewdrops. And then a butterfly and and a little teacup and saucer. And these two printable, these two here are by Kara Brandon, and the birds are by Scrimpin' Mommy. That's number one. Okay. Number two was done by Jen Wren from What Jen Wren Scraps here on YouTube. And I will try to link put all the links down below in the description box for you guys. Again, this is from Kara Brandon and Scrimpin' Mommy. Okay, so Jen chose to do the gingham photo with the girl in it and put the shoe with the yellow flower in it. And I chose the word create. So that's number two. Number three is done by me. I chose, and then after the video was done, I went back and put some little dewdrops on all of the dex cards. So this here and the word bloom is done by Kara Brandon, and the book page is done by Scrimpin' Mommy. This one here was decorated by Jen. She picked everything out, and we made this one. Okay. Next, this one's done by me. And these are all using printables from Kara Brandon and Scrimpin' Mommy. And this one here is also done by Miss Jen Wren. So this is all what we done last night on my live. And we had a great time. So I will link that video down below in the description box for you to go and watch. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload new content, when I do a premiere. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below and do the thumbsy upsy thing. And please be kind, be caring, be positive, be crafty, be blessed, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.